Want to cash in on AI in 2025? Here's how to make money using Grok 3x AI, Elon Musk's next-gen chatbot. Step 1. Understand Grok 3. It's a conversational AI integrated with X, formerly Twitter Great, for automation, real-time insights, and engaging content. Step 2. Offer chatbot services. Use Grok 3 to build smart auto-replies, customer support bots, or content assistance for small businesses active on X. Step 3. Create niche content. Use Grok to help generate tweets, threads, and news summaries in specific niches, then monetize through subscriptions or affiliate links. Step 4. Sell prompt engineering. Learn how to craft effective prompts and offer it as a service. Grok thrives with great inputs. Market to influencers or brands on X. Step 5. Build tools or bots. Use Grok's API, if available, to create micro tools like trend trackers or crypto notifiers, and charge for premium access. And remember, Grok 3 is powerful, but your creativity is what turns it into profit. Start experimenting today. X marks the spot for AI income.